In this video, I'm going to show you how to center any element inside another using CSS. So let's say that we have a div, and let's just give it a class of box. And inside of this div, we have a header that says hello world. Let's just click on the CSS button to edit the CSS. First of all, I'm going to target the box, and I'm going to give it a height of 500 pixels. I'm going to give it a width of 500 pixels, and I'm going to give it a background color. Finally, I'm going to set its color to white. Okay, so you can see that we have this big div. Let's just reset the height to 300 pixels. Okay, so as you can see, we have a red div, and inside of this div we have a header. Now I'm going to target the header, and I'm just going to set its margin to 0. Alright, so now let's just say that we want to center this header inside of this div. First of all, how can we center it vertically? I'm going to go ahead and give this box a display of flex. By default, the display property of any element is set to block, but we are going to change that and set this equal to flex. As you can probably guess, this technique is going to make use of Flexbox. Okay, so we want to center it vertically. How can we do that? Well, there's a property called align items, and we can set it to flex start, which will just align it to the start of the element, and I'm talking about vertically here. Or we can do flex end, which will push it to the bottom of the container. Or we can do center, which will center it vertically. Just like we can alter the alignment of the children of this box vertically, we can also alter the alignment of these elements horizontally. And to do that, we use justify content. In the very similar way, we can do flex start, or we can do flex end, that will horizontally align it to the end of the element, or horizontally align it to the right. And finally, there is a center, which will center it horizontally. Okay, so that's how you center anything using CSS.